Hello everyone, I'm back with another video. Here in this video, we'll discuss how we can install Brave browser on Windows 11. So that's been said, let's get started. Brave browser is more privacy focused browser. So if you want to use it on your Windows 11 system, then you can simply download the installer file. For that, simply open any browser and search for Brave browser and open the link from brave.com. Don't worry about the download link. I'll provide the download link in the description box. So here's the official website from where you can easily download the Brave browser for Windows operating system. To download, simply click on this download button and wait for the download process to complete. Once the download has been completed, simply run the installer file. Here you can see it is downloading the Brave browser. Let me minimize the browser and let me wait for the download process to complete. Once downloaded, it will automatically install the browser. So here we have our Brave browser interface, and here we have an option to set Brave browser the default browser. So if you want to set Brave as the default browser, simply click on set Brave as default browser. Here on default apps option, you will find an option to make Brave your default browser. Simply click on set default. After that, close setting window. If you want to import any existing browser data, then you can simply select the browser, then click on import. After that, simply click on finish button. Now you are ready to use Brave browser on your system. If you want to pin Brave browser icon to taskbar, then here right click on the Brave browser icon, then click on pin to taskbar. Using this shortcut icon, you can simply open Brave browser within a second. So that's it. This is how you can install Brave browser on Windows 11. I hope this video was helpful to you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe the channel for more videos like this. Bye for now. See you next video.